we making today?
We're gonna make our own version of a breakfast hash bowl.
What's up, y'all? Welcome back to the Henderson kitchen. I am so excited that you guys are here. You know, we have been making a lot of vegan dinners, and you cannot forget about vegan breakfast.
Gotta have breakfast.
What are we making today?
We're gonna make our own version of a breakfast hash bowl using just egg, some peppers and onions, cut up sweet potatoes, some mushrooms, and some spinach and arugula.
So that's what makes this breakfast bowl vegan, the vegan egg that we're using. Just egg, plant-based scramble, the best.
Minutes. Halfway through, we're gonna open it up, shake it up, make sure it's mixing real good, and put it back in. Okay? So now we're gonna make our vegetables and our eggs. Starting with sauteing our veggies. Let's get cooking.
Y'all see who run the kitchen, right? That's okay. Altogether, I think this breakfast meal probably took all of 10 minutes, if that. So we got everything taken care of. It took 12 minutes for sweet potatoes to cook. Halfway through, we shook it up a little bit. Then we also have our spinach, mushrooms, and peppers. And we have our egg. We're putting a little vegan mozzarella cheese on top. Spread it around.
To make our bowl, we're gonna layer it a little bit. We're gonna start with the sweet potatoes on the bottom.
I layered my sweet potatoes.
And then you're gonna put some vegetables.
Put some
Vegetables. And he's gonna add some eggs.
Oh my god. Let me see that.
Yummy, yummy, yummy.
Sweet potatoes, vegetables, and eggs.
And if you like, you can add some cheese.
If you like, it's up to you.
That looks good.
Ooh, that looks fantastic.
And I'm going to add a dash of hot sauce to my bowl.
That's hers. And then she put a little hot sauce on top. That looks great, right? So that's what's for breakfast, y'all. Y'all ready?
Let's try it out, y'all. Honey, sis knows what she's doing.
Is this your own creation?
My own creation.
This is a Henderson exclusive, y'all.
Well, there you have it, guys.
That's what's for breakfast in the Henderson kitchen. I hope y'all enjoyed that. Give this video a thumbs up if you did. We appreciate you for watching. I know it's tough in this climate we're living in, but give someone a hug. Tell someone you love them. Tell them how much you care, because it may be the only time they hear it. And this world needs love and care as much as possible. We'll see y'all in the next video. Peace. Love you, baby.
I love you, baby. I love you, baby.